everyone knows YouTube is a huge resource of traffic, and from YouTube we can generate good amount of money. So in this video I'll share the best ways by which you can generate good amount of money with the help of YouTube. And yes, YouTube is world's second highest traffic generated website, and yes, you can generate good amount of money with the help of YouTube as well without even monetizing your YouTube channel. And also, if you have ever thought that you will create a channel on YouTube, this video is going to be very helpful for you people. So those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and there are different other ways by which you can generate good amount of money. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also hit the notification button so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. And yes, don't forget to like this video because this is going to be very awesome. So without making delay, let's get started. As I said, you can generate good amount of money with the help of YouTube. If you ask me, there are a lot of ways, but I have listed down a couple of things what I'll discuss in the whole video. The number one thing, you can generate traffic for your website with the help of YouTube videos. So if you see in the description, I have given a couple of links of my website, and yes, when whoever is watching my videos, they are driving traffic. My videos are driving traffic to my website. And yes, this is not only one channel. I have a couple of other different channels as well where I create videos on animation, or maybe I create videos on different other things without showing my face even. So I drive maximum of the web for maximum of the channels. I drive my traffic from YouTube to my website, and there I sell my affiliate products, or it can be anything, it might be any products as well. The second thing what you can do, you can create your own products. So how you can create your own product? You can create your own digital products. Like maybe it can be any ebook, or maybe it can be a PPT presentation, or it may be a report, maybe anything. So you can create a digital product and you can sell with the help of YouTube videos. So in the description you can see there are a lot of people who are selling their ebooks or maybe digital products with the help of YouTube descriptions. And yes, whenever people will see that you are delivering a value, and if they are trusting you, they can buy from your affiliate links, or maybe from the link whatever you have given in the description. And yes, if you sell digital products, the whole revenue is yours. So I have created separate videos how to create a PDF, how to make money with the help of different ebooks. You can check out on my other videos which is available on my channel. Also, you can sell different kind of affiliate products. Maybe you can see in my description I have couple of product recommendations. And yes, this is how YouTubers generate money with the help of small YouTube channels as well. So you can see there are a lot of YouTubers, they are referring what they are maybe what tripod they are using, what camera they are using, what all the devices they are using, and they are giving link of Amazon website. And yes, these are all affiliate links. And yes, if you buy anything from that particular website, the person, the creator of the content, the producer of the video, he will get paid for that particular item, maybe for the particular services from the link what he has given in the description. And this is so amazing. Also on YouTube you can create different kind of tutorials or different kind of coaching things, and you can generate good amount of money. So if you search how to create a website, maybe how to create a landing page, maybe how to create anything. So if you are teaching anyone how to, maybe if you can do anything, as well as how to cook a chicken in a delicious way, something like that. There are a lot of things what you can do with the help of YouTube. You can create tutorials, or maybe you can create coaching things, coaching services, and you can generate good amount of money with the help of YouTube. Also, maybe you have seen there are a lot of YouTubers who are selling there are different kind of merchandise products, maybe t-shirts, maybe cap, maybe anything. So you can build a brand around YouTube, and you can sell your own merchandise products. So how you can do that? You have to create t-shirts t-shirts, maybe you, with the help of Teesprint, or maybe there are a lot of websites as well. Or else also you can create your own website, own e-commerce website, merchandise website, and you can sell your own products with the help of YouTube. Once you build a brand around your community, and this is so amazing because people wants to connect with you, they will definitely buy your things, your products, or maybe your stuffs once you create a brand around your audience, around your community. This is so simple, and yes, you can generate good amount of money by selling products, by selling merchandise products, or from your YouTube channel as well. Also you can make money with the help of sponsorship. And yes, maybe you have seen there are a lot of creators who are creating sponsored products from sponsored ads for different kind of videos what they are creating. Sponsored products are things what is very common thing in YouTube, and there are a lot of people who are ready to pay high amount of money if you can promote, if you have a good and decent amount of audience. And yes, the sponsor people, those people who has brand, who has products, they want to sell with the help of YouTube influencers, and they will come to you. Or else there are a lot of other websites as well where you can find sponsored products for yourself, and also you can contact the vendor, and they will give you the product for review, or maybe for to create videos. And yes, you can generate good amount of money with the help of sponsored products as well. Also you can start dropshipping. Dropshipping is little bit costlier model, and yes, you have to understand different other perspectives as well with the help of dropshipping. But yes, with the help of YouTube and dropshipping, you can generate good amount of money. I have seen plenty of YouTubers who are basically doing dropshipping, but they are sending the traffic from YouTube to their dropshipping websites, and they are generating huge amount of sale on their particular website, on the particular dropshipping website. And this is a proven model. You can earn huge amount of money with the help of YouTube and dropshipping website. Almost I have explained all the ways. Last but not the least, that is YouTube AdSense. So you can generate good amount of money with the help of AdSense as well, but it is not as big as affiliate marketing, or as profitable as selling your own products. So according to me, my recommendation will be you can start generating money with the help of your own products or affiliate marketing. This is so easy. You have to just give your links, or maybe you can give affiliate links on YouTube description. Also, the one more thing, you can drive traffic to your website, and there you can sell your affiliate product. So I hope I was able to give you the whole thing in a small video. So let me know if you have any other ways by which you can generate money with the help of YouTube. And yes, if you ask me, I am as of now, currently whenever I am really recording this video, my channel is in small state, but yes, then also I am generating good amount of money with the help of my affiliate links, to be very honest with you people. And yes, you people, if you have a small channel as well, you can generate good amount of money by affiliate marketing and selling your own products. So focus on that. So I think I was able to give a value in the whole video. Let me know if you have any other concerns in the comment section below, and also you can reach me out on Instagram. I'll try my level best to help out you people. So thank you so much for watching the whole video. Have a great day.